How to automatically number rows in Google Sheets. Hello everybody, welcome back. In order to do so, you may follow up these simple steps. First of all, go ahead and access your Google Sheets or Excel, and you should be finding your data entered like this. Now, if you would like to number these data, all you gotta do is simply follow up the steps. So first of all, let's say this is number 1. You can just go ahead and type in number 1, and right below it select second to number. After that, you need to select both of the boxes, and you should be finding these both selected. And when you do, you will be finding a plus icon right in this corner. You just need to go ahead and drag and drop it like this, and it will automatically add up the numbers. If not, what you can do is you can even add different other numbers. Let me just go ahead and cancel these out. And then you may even add other number like 3, for example, and then 5. After that, you can select both of the boxes, and you should be finding a plus icon, drag and drop it like we did it earlier, and you should be finding the number changed and automatically being added. If not, these as well, you can follow up another method as well. So for that, let me just go ahead and clear these out first, and then you may just go ahead and type in is equal to caps row. After that, in the bracket type in A1, for example, hit enter, and then you should be finding one number. You can just go ahead and select this, and you can drag and drop it, and it should add up. So these are some of the methods you can follow up in order to add up number on your Google spreadsheet. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.